Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to log in Realtor account on PC. Realtor helps you search home for sales, new construction homes and houses for rent. To log in Realtor account on PC, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.realtor.com. Then you'll be taken to official website of Realtor. Now here you can see login option at top right section of the website. Click on login. Then here you can see the login box. You can use your email address that you have used to create your account to log into your account. To do that, enter your email address on the given box. You can also log in with your Google account, your Facebook account, your Apple ID, or you can use a link that will be emailed to you by Realtor. If you haven't created your account, then you can click on create an account, then continue with the further process of creating your account. After entering your email address, click on continue. With that, now here you need to enter your password. Make sure you enter the correct password of your account. If you don't remember your password, then you can click on the option of forgot password. After entering your password, click on the option of login. With that, you'll be logged into your account. Now here you need to click on continue so that you can further process onto your website. As you can see here, my account has been logged in. This is how we can log in Realtor account on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.